Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you all are doing good. Today is haircut day for my little one. As you can see, his hair has grown a lot with summer coming. We decided to give him a short haircut that will keep him cool and comfortable. Let's see how it goes. Wish us luck because getting a toddler to sit still is not easy. So yes, as we came to the salon, he was very curious. He was checking out all of the accessories over there, the scissor, the mirror, and as you we all know that for them everything looks like a toy. At this age, toddlers are exploring the world, so sitting quietly for even a few minutes can be very difficult. As parents, we do try to make the experience safe and stress free for them. You may notice that I actually gave him the phone during the haircut. Normally I try to limit screen time as much as possible, but during situations like haircuts, safety is definitely my priority. When toddlers move suddenly while scissor or clipper are near their head, it can become very risky. Giving phone helped him keep quiet, and he was actually being still so that the barber can actually finish his work safely. Sometimes I understand the parenting is about choosing the safest option in that moment. A few minutes of distraction is better than an accident is what I feel. So yes, I definitely would love to tell you guys there are a lot of benefits for getting this kind of a haircut in the summer. And what are those benefits is that it actually keeps them cooler. Short hair helps reduce heat and sweat on the scalp, as we all would be aware of it, and it also prevents sweat irritation. Toddlers, they run a lot, so short hair helps avoid sweat buildup and itchiness. Also, it is actually easier hygiene. Hair dries faster after bath time, which helps keep the scalp clean. And it also reduces the tangling. Short hair is easier to manage, especially for active toddlers like my son. Is extremely active, and also it's more comfortable for outdoor play because when kids run around in the sun, shorter hair keeps them more comfortable. So this is the very reason why I decided that I'm gonna get my baby haircut done, and it's really important as summer has already began. So yes, it is the right time to get a haircut done. I would like to also tell you guys the tips for haircuts. So here are a few tips actually which will definitely help for your toddler for haircut. What you can do is actually go during a calm time. Avoid nap time or when they are super hungry. Also, you can bring a distraction, like you can get them a toy, a book, or even a short video can help them keep calm. Like as I did, like I handed over the phone. He was barely watching anything. He was just keep on fiddling his finger, and he was just seeing things. But as much I see, he was not so much interested into the video. He was just keep on scrolling up and down. That's all. And also, you can choose a patient barber. It's very important. The barber, someone who's experienced with kids, it actually makes a lot of big difference. Yes, and also keep it quick. Short, simple styles work best for toddlers. As luckily my son, he was quiet and he was sitting still, and because of the phone, so yes, we were able to give him some cool looking hairstyle. But if your baby is not quiet, even after handing him over something that he will be still with, then definitely you have to opt for the hairstyle or the haircut which will be shorter, and which will be done in a shorter duration, and should be something just simple. And also stay calm as a parent. When we actually stay calm and relax, our baby will also feel the same. So kids usually feel more comfortable too when we are actually safe, like relaxed. So that is very important. So as you guys can see, my baby is almost done with his haircut, and we just have few touch up going on here and there, because as I told you, I want to keep it as short as possible. His hair actually grows a lot, like it look, and it grows very super fast. And here is the final look, guys. I think he looks so super cute and fresh, and he's all set and ready for summer. Short hair makes it easier for him to play, run, and stay comfortable during hot days, and that is for sure. With long hair, I've seen him, like he was a bit of feeling annoyed, but now, as you can see that it's so short, he will definitely feel comfortable and he'll definitely feel good. If you're a parent, you probably know every child is different. Sometimes we just do what works best in the moment. Today, your phone helped us finish the haircut safely. If you enjoyed this vlog or found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our journey as working parents raising our little explorer. So yes, we will definitely would love to see you in our next vlog. In next vlog, I will be sharing a lot of information, lot of details. So yes, please don't forget to subscribe, so that through you even more other parents will be able to connect with our videos, and they'll be also be able to get a lot of tips. Take care.